Picture this. You're stepping into a room full of strangers ready to make your mark. As you introduce yourself, your confident smile lights up the room. The secret behind that radiant smile? The Natural Teeth Whitener. In an era where first impressions are everything, the Natural Teeth Whitener offers a healthier, more natural pathway to a dazzling smile. This unique teeth whitener harnesses the power of nature, combining activated charcoal, coconut oil, and baking soda to gently lift away stains, leaving your teeth noticeably brighter without the use of harsh chemicals. What sets the Natural Teeth Whitener apart is its gentle yet effective approach. Unlike abrasive whitening products that can cause sensitivity, this natural alternative ensures a mild yet effective cleansing action, making it an ideal choice for those with sensitive teeth. But the benefits of the Natural Teeth Whitener go beyond just aesthetics. Activated charcoal works to absorb toxins and impurities, while coconut oil offers antimicrobial properties, promoting a healthier mouth. Baking soda aids in neutralizing acids and gently polishing away surface stains. Integrating the Natural Teeth Whitener into your daily routine couldn't be easier. Whether it's part of your morning ritual or an occasional treatment, this user-friendly product ensures convenience without compromising results. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from satisfied users who have experienced the transformative power of the Natural Teeth Whitener. These success stories speak volumes, highlighting not only the visible whitening results, but also the boost in confidence that comes with a brighter smile. In line with our commitment to sustainability, the Natural Teeth Whitener is packaged in eco-friendly materials. This reflects our dedication to both your oral health and the health of our planet. In conclusion, the Natural Teeth Whitener is more than just a teeth whitening product. It's a natural solution for those seeking a brighter, more confident smile. Its blend of natural ingredients, gentle approach, and positive user testimonials make it a product worth trying. So say goodbye to stains and hello to a radiant smile, naturally. Try the Natural Teeth Whitener today and experience the magic for yourself.